Hey everybody, welcome to a new video where we will be using we will be putting the bird protector out with Blue. Remember, I recorded the bird protector and a lot of other stuff on the last episode where it's supposed to keep the birds safe from mice. So this is the bird protector right here. Again, it's at Walmart if you want to get one. Caution, see back panel directions used. Okay, I was just checking on it. And you also may be wondering why I'm using gloves, because this thing I think is poisonous. I just want to go ahead and warn y'all that this thing I actually think is poisonous. So we will be wearing gloves while we show you around with this new bird protector. So here I am. I'm going to hang on a sec. How do I open this while hold the camera? How? There we go. I did it. Okay, so it's in a little case down deep in here. Okay. I'm getting it. Hang on a sec. Okay, I got it. So it's in here. Is there anything else in here that I need to know Nope, nothing in there that I need. Nothing else that I need. Okay, this is kind of hard to open while holding the camera, and while holding the camera, and it's kind of hard to open too. So hang on a sec. Oh, I forgot. I could do that and do that. Then it gets there. And this, how do I open this thing? I'm going to need a little bit of help. Let's see if I could show you like a picture of, if I could show you like Blue or something while I open this. Can you see Blue like that? No, you can't? No, you can't see Blue like that. Can you? No, you can't. You can just see. Just say you like, show you like, let's see here, How about I should just leave you like somewhere cool, something cool. I'm trying to figure it out. How about this? I'll just do Blue's favorite treat. Maybe you can take a look at it. Maybe I found it at PetSmart. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Is it just, can you see that? It's like right in front of the camera. I don't know if I'm, there you go. You see that now. How could I face it where you look? I don't want to put it too close to the camera. Right. Okay, how about you just stay there. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the hold up. And so we'll have to make, I pinky promise, since I didn't get to show you the bird protector, I'll show you the bird protector in the next episode. So I'll just call this one. Oh, I know what I'll call this one. This one's gonna be pretty funny. The quick way. Bye, guys. Love you.